Okay, so if you haven't done this already, oh, sorry for jiggling the camera a little bit. If you haven't done this yet, you will need to download Phoenix off of their official website, phoenixpwn.com, and then you are going to have to download the IPA, then sideload it using Sideloadly and use your Apple ID. Once you get it, you should have Prepare for Jailbreak there, and then Kickstart Jailbreak after it's done. But since I've got it completely finished and jailbroken, I'm gonna skip this. Now, open Cydia, and then add 2 repositories. First, go to Sources, and then in here you should have to add vintagelover.github.io/repo. That's vintage repo. You go to All Packages, and then hit Solid Glass 2. I'll put the repo on screen. You put that in, pause to read it, and then go to Solid Glass 2 and hit Install. Now, it should say confirm or whatever. Just hit confirm, and it'll do its stuff. As you can see, it's got the command line sitting there. Once it's done, it'll say it'll say reloading data, and just give that its little bit of time. Then you should be able to exit back into Cydia, and let's see here. Anything? Come on. Okay, just give it some time. Give it some time to install Solid Glass. Now, this will install Winterboard, but we do not want Winterboard. What we want is the next thing. So, let's go back again, and download another thing from another repo that should be here. So, let's go into here, search up Anemone. Okay, hit enter, and if you do not have it, don't worry. You should have it because it's on the come help bring the grocery. So, excuse the cut. So, in the Big Boss repo, which should be there, you look up Anemone. Then you click on this one, and then hit install. Then hit confirm, and let it do its thing. Now that it's done, you hit restart Springboard. And this closes restarts the home and lock screen tasks. And basically, when you change your fonts to bold fonts, it literally does this. It just calls that rebooting. But as you can see, it booted up really fast. You unlock, and hopefully you can go to Anemone, and then right as that opens, you can just mirror it. Landscape mode, wow. But then, say I wanted solid glass dark. You can hit preview after enabling solid glass 2. Then hit apply. Now you can see the icons at the bottom, they are dark. And if I just, ta-da! They're dark mode and they're liquid glass. So, the clock icon is broken on the dark mode, but if you switch to the light mode and then apply that, you can see it looks a lot more like conventional liquid glass. This is the one that I choose since my whole entire iPad here is light theme. Now, in general, and hitting about, that stuff, blah, 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 the iOS version was set to 26.1, with the version build code, whatever, being the iOS 26 build code. I'll tell you something. I edited that image and then loaded it up. If I can open photos, and then go into all photos. The latest one here is actually just a screenshot of this, but after going into the stuff and all that, you can actually, really simply, you can edit, find, and then load using iFile the modified version. So let's just do that. So let's go to the root, do VAR, then do mobile, then do media, DCIM, and then 100 Apple. And in here, if you imported the image into this DCIM folder using 3U tools, then you should find it around here. So you can see down here, image 31 is actually the edited version with 23B82 and 26.1. And then I just hit home, and yeah, I was on this page. So that's how it works, and that's how I set it up. And if you want more, add it yourself, because I do not know anything else about adding the themes and whatnot. Anyways, as I was saying, without the dogs, I do not know anything else about modding and all that. Modding this stuff, so all you get is the icons. That's it for this tutorial. Bye.